Want to play games on your Apple Watch? It's super easy, and you can enjoy fun games right from your wrist. In this video, I'll show you how to find, install, and play games on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, make sure to connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data on your Apple Watch. Then go to the App Store on your Apple Watch. Now tap on the search icon from the top. Now search games. Here, you'll find a range of game genres optimized for the Apple Watch. Snake.io, ping pong, or more. Install one of them, like I want to play ping pong. Tap Get to install the ping pong app. Now go to the home screen. Scroll down to the bottom. Here's the ping pong app. Tap on it. Now enjoy the game. And there you have it. This is how you can play games on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. See ya.